Part B, Harun has 15 parcels to post. The table shows the information about the sizes of these parcels. 2 parcels are selected at random. Find the probability that both parcels are large. So he has 6 out of 15. Okay, that are large. That's the first parcel. Now he has 15 parcels. So he's going to take one of those parcels and he's going to post it. Right? He's not going to put it back. He's going to take it and he's going to post it. So for his second parcel, there's only going to be 14 parcels left, and only 5 of them will be large. Right? So you have 6 over 15 times 5 over 14. That goes into that 3 times, and into that 2 times, and into that 7 times. So you're left with 1 over 7. Okay? All right. Part B, part 2. Says one parcel is small and the other is large. Now I'm going to answer part 2 up here, just so that we can see the table in front of us. Okay? Well, that's not what you do on the real exam paper. Of course, you do it in the space below. We're going to find the probability that one is small and the other is large. Okay, so one of them is small and the other one is large. Now, what most people do is this. They say, okay, one is small, so that's 9 over 16. And one is large, so we're going to have 15 parcels, and there's still 6 large parcels, the small one, and they'll say 6 over 15, and they will give this as the answer, and that will be it. And that's what you did, right? One is small and one is large, right? Okay, one is small and one is large. However, the question doesn't say the first one is small and the second one is large. It could also be another outcome, where the first one is large, which is 6 over 15, and the second one is small, 9 over, sorry, what am I doing? That should be 15 and 14. Okay, it's 15 and 14. And the same thing here, that's 6 over 15 times 9 over 14. So this is, okay, the outcome that many, many people forget about. Okay? And what you'll notice is 6 over 15 times 9 over 14 gives you the same answer as 9 over 15 times 6 over 14. So what we could have actually done instead of this is we could have said, okay, let's take 2 times 9 over 15 times 6 over 14. We've got 2 of them. Okay? And to make it clearer, we can make a tree diagram. You don't have to, but this just helps you to see what's happening. So you can see there are 2 outcomes. There's 2 separate outcomes where you have a small parcel and a large parcel. Okay, this is both small, this is both large. We need to add these 2 outcomes together. This is where one of them is small and the other one is large. The question, if you see the wording, it says one is small and the other is large. It doesn't say the first is small and the second is large. Okay, so that's a very common mistake in these questions to be made, where we only choose one of those outcomes and we're answering a different question. We're answering a question, the first is small and the second is large. Okay, and part C, the probability that a parcel arrives late is 3 out of 80. 4,000 parcels are posted. Calculate an estimate of the number of parcels expected to arrive late. Well, that's the fraction. 3 over 80 is the fraction of the total number of parcels that we expect to arrive late. So you just do 3 over 8 times 4. 3 over 8 times 4,000. That goes into, that's 50. So it's going to be 150. 150 parcels out of the 4,000 we would expect them to arrive late. Okay? So that wraps up this question for us.